Hey guys, this is Chris from Mother's Barbecue, and today we're in Williamsburg, New York. We're gonna try out some Fette Sau BBQ. Let's check it out. All right, guys, so we got the pulled pork, we got the spare ribs, we got some brisket, we got some bacon burnt ends, which I'm just like drooling over right now. Some burnt end barbecues, beans. So we're gonna give these a try. Let's try these spare ribs. Nice smoke ring, nice crust, smells incredible. No sauce on them. Nice and tender, smoky. That's insane. We're gonna try some of their barbecue sauce here. Tomato based, tangy, not too much spice, nice balance. Goes great with the dry rub ribs. This is incredible. All right, so now we're gonna go for the brisket. Nice pull to it, incredible bark, nice little fat right there. Let's give this a try. That's pretty damn good. That's incredible. Nice and smoky. Got some good salt to it. That fat is rendered just perfectly. That's nice. Next. Going for that Berkshire pulled pork. Again, I'm not doing any sauce. We do have Carolina sauce here, but I'm not touching it. Let's give this a try. That's pretty damn good too. Again, good smoke ring. Not too dry. It's got some good moisture to it. That's pretty killer. Now I'm going for the heart attack right here. These are bacon burnt ends, which I'm thinking it's just thick cut pork belly. Let's try this. Holy crap. That's pretty damn good. Wow.
Say something for your wife.
Oh, that's right. She's still got to eat. This is incredible. Overall, perfect meal. Nice balance. Nice and simple. Like just backyard barbecue. This is what this is. You guys, if you're in New York City and Brooklyn, you guys got to give this a try. Remember, guys, hit that subscribe channel. I'll see you guys in the next round. Thanks for watching.